There are 5 fundamental or basic positions in dance that are commonly termed as first position, second position, third position, fourth position, and fifth position of the feet and arms. Fundamental dance positions of the arms. Let's begin. First position. Both arms raised in a circle in front of chest with the fingertips about an inch apart. Second position. Arms both raised sideward with a graceful curve at shoulder level. Third position. One arm raised in front as in second position. Other arm raised upward. Fourth position. One arm raised in front as in first position. Other arm raised overhead. Fifth position. Both arms raised overhead. Fundamental dance positions of the feet. Let's begin. First position. Heels close together, toes apart with an angle of about 45 degrees. Second position. Feet apart, sideward of about a pace distance. Third position. Heel of one foot close to instep of other foot. Fourth position. One foot in front of other foot of a pace distance. Fifth position. Heel of front foot close to a big toe of rear foot. Fundamental dance positions of arms and feet. Let's begin. The importance of fundamental dance positions. It is an important technique in learning different genres of dances, whether creative or folk ethnic dance. It will help you interpret easily dance steps or movements that usually used in folk dance. It serves as warm-up exercise. It improves performance. That is all, and we are done for our class. But don't forget to click like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe to BuhayMaestra.